Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices required drivers you can download from there. Then you can see this is search button. You just click on that. After that you enter your model number Z790 DAC motherboard. Then hit enter. So enter the title of the model number. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, but both the installation process same. You can select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 operating system drivers. So audio driver and click to download. It will start downloading. You can see here. So it is completed. Just single click to open. Then this is exe, so you have to double click on that. Otherwise you can extract and then install. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed, guys. So it is closed means this is installed, and then again this is installed. Chipset. So serial driver and click to download. It is downloaded and it's open on display. Just open it and double click to exe. This is .exe and then click on yes. Now this is installing. And this is closed means automatic, means this is installed. Then install this Intel INF installations and click to download. It is start downloading in download box. After again open it, then double click to exe, then yes. Now this is extracting. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. This is size and just click to download. This is download button. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It is download completed. Then open and double click to exe. You can see .exe and then click on yes. So now it is downloading, so wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. VGA driver, extract, this is a Realtek VGA driver, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time. So it is completed, then open, then double click to exe, the find out name of model. You can see this. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. After that, start downloading. Now this is installing the graphic card. It is closed automatic, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver. So download any, but you can download the always latest driver. So it is completed by Bluetooth driver. Just open. So it is downloaded. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is closed automatic, means this is installed. So WLAN means Wi-Fi. You can see this is Wi-Fi driver, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see. Then it is done. Just click to open and open this Wi-Fi driver and double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. And then close.